Hello, welcome back. This is Smith. As you can see, I have cilantro growing everywhere. I just scattered them last year, summer. The best time to grow cilantro is in late summer, by the way. You can harvest them during the fall, winter, and spring. After that, they bolt and they go into seeds. Stay tuned for how to harvest cilantro seeds. For this video, I will show you how to preserve cilantro. I have fermented tender cilantro leaves from the garden with salt and olive oil, or mixed them with another vegetable before. The flavor was present, but the aroma dissipated over time. The secret is leaving the root attached. This is the best way to preserve cilantro, especially if you want to cook with it. The roots are much more pungent than the leaves, but as you cook them, they will soften. You can also mince the root for your guacamole or put them in a salad or as a garnish. They are soft. The roots are really soft. You want to start harvesting them in the spring before they go to bolt and go into seeds. So I pretty much pull out the whole cilantro, including the roots. As you can see, I brought them inside without rinsing it. This is the first rinse and it's full of mud and there's a lot of leaves and tiny sticks. I have to go outside and throw in the first rinse because there was so much mud underneath. I've rinsed this at least 5 times. You open the leaves and you just shake them underneath the water and all the mud will come out between the stems and the leaves. Make sure you also wash the roots really well. To preserve them, I simply add salt and olive oil and place them in the fridge. For the summer use, I tasted the leaf to make sure they are salty, but not too salty. Salt and oil will keep it fresh as it ferments slowly in the fridge. I cut them into half for easier handling, which is optional. Keeping them whole will also help preserve the earthy citric sweetness and not dissipate too quickly. You will have to mince them once you add them to a soup or a curry or in your guacamole. Mix them really well and you will need a clean jars with the lid, and then sometimes you'll find a tiny little sticks. Just remove them and then just place them in the jars, squish them really tight. I fill the cilantro in the jar as much as I can, and then I add a few more tablespoons of olive oil. The salt and the oil will keep the cilantro ferment slowly in the fridge. I noticed something about cilantro, they soak in the oil really well. I've been doing this for almost 4 years now, especially during the summer when there's no cilantro. This is really helpful. I hope you learned something new and stay tuned for how I save coriander seeds for ground spices.